Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to delete a WhatsApp community group, step by step, with the latest updated method. If you've been organizing chats and now want to remove one of the groups for good, this quick walkthrough will help you do it the right way. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the community where the group is located. Once the app is open, look for the Communities tab. It's usually found at the top of your chat screen or at the bottom, depending on your phone. Next, tap on the community that contains the group you want to delete. You'll see a list of all the groups connected to that community. Find the one you no longer need and tap on it to open. Once you're inside the group, tap the group name at the very top of the screen. This will open the group info page where you can see details like participants, settings, and media shared. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. Now, select the option that says Exit Group. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you really want to leave. Tap Exit to confirm. Once you've successfully exited, the group will no longer appear as part of your active community chats. But to completely remove it from your community, there's one more step. After leaving the group, you'll see an option that says Delete Group. Tap on that and confirm when prompted. This will permanently delete the group from your WhatsApp community, freeing up space and keeping things organized. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a WhatsApp community group. It's always a good idea to double-check that the group no longer appears in your list, just to be sure everything's cleaned up properly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with others who might need a bit of help managing their WhatsApp communities. Thanks for watching.